Well, good afternoon, folks. Doug here with Sewell Motor Coach in Harrodsburg, Kentucky. Got another beauty behind me. You know what it is. It's a Tiffin. It's an Allegro Red. We haven't shown one of these in a while, and this is a brand new coach. I can't wait to introduce you to this brand new 2026 Tiffin Allegro Red. Let's get going. Because today in front of you, you're looking at a brand new 2026 Tiffin Allegro Red. This is the 37BA floor plan. That's a bath and a half floor plan. And we fully spec this coach to the nines. Really has a NASA full body paint, beautiful blackout wheel package. I love this coach. This now comes with the 380 horsepower Cummins L9 engine. And folks, if you don't know, that is a game changer for this product. Previously, this was a 360 horsepower engine on the B series 6.7 liter. The 360 horsepower was the top tune for the B series B 6.7 B series engine, and the 380 horsepower is an 8.9 liter L9 engine, and the 380 horsepower is the basically the smallest tune or the shortest horsepower tune, because this L9 engine is the same engine they put in the big 45-foot Allegro buses. We also have the 3000 Allison transmission, and in this video I want to show you why this Tiffin Allegro Red is an extreme value in the luxury diesel segment. And really and truthfully, this is the entry point, in my opinion, to luxury diesel. There's some things inside this coach with the aqua hot, the heated floors, that make this, in my opinion, one of the best values, again, for luxury diesel. And I just got done driving this coach. Drives like a dream. Yes, me and you are going to jump out on the highway. We're going to take it on the highway and show you what it feels like. I'm going to try to explain to you the power that I feel, because the 380 is a very, very powerful engine. This combo, this Allison transmission and engine pack 1,150 pound-feet of torque, making this feel very, very, very strong. Now, in this video, we're not going to spend any time looking at the bays. You can jump on our website, or you can give us a call or shoot us an email if you want to see some bay photos. But we're going to try to keep this video as short as possible. The highlight of this coach, really and truthfully, in my opinion, outside, with the exception of the exterior, which is beautiful full body NASA paint, we're going to take you inside this one and show you how we optioned it on the inside. It wouldn't hurt my feelings not one bit to travel around the country in this absolutely beautiful Tiffin Allegro Red. And what are some of the reasons that you might choose an Allegro Red versus like maybe a Phaeton or an Allegro bus? And it all has to boil down to budget, right? That's what this is. This is a luxury coach on a budget, and that's what we're going to show you today. You don't have to sacrifice luxury in order to get a good value in a coach for a brand new Tiffin motorhome. Let's get going. Let's go inside this one, because what's inside this coach has me very excited. I got to option this coach, so naturally I'm going to like it. And on the exterior of the coach, you still get armless Girard awnings for the patio and an armless Girard awning for your door. Still have things like an outdoor smart television and access panels, frameless dual pane windows in this coach. Huge plus. Now, you won't get that beautiful lined Corian entryway, but it's still a very nice entryway. But they didn't sacrifice tile floors in here, because you have stunning Articulo white tile floors in this coach. Now let's fire the engine up. We're going to put the slides out. And one of the cool things about Tiffin now, on all of their Class A products, they have went to all hydraulic slide out. So this is the 37BA. I'm going to turn the camera on. I'm going to show you what it's like with the slide rooms on the in position, because that's huge and important on any motor coach that you're getting ready to buy. And typically on the Allegro Reds, they're some of the best family-friendly move-about coaches. They're designed for more family-friendly. This coach does not disappoint. Remind me, if you can, remind me that we do have some furniture things to talk about in here. Not issues, just some furniture configuration that you have the option on this particular coach to change. And here's the coach with the slide rooms in. As you can see, we have opposing sofas. Now, what I'm talking about is this sofa here. When we open the coach up, I want you to take a look at it. You can have the option of this sofa across from sofa, or we have brand new theater seats ready to go in this coach. If you buy this coach, you can choose theater seats or a sofa on this side. But as you can see, there is ample room to move about the coach. You can sit on both sofas. In fact, folks can sit across from each other without having their knees bumping or any of that stuff. And then, of course, we optioned in the Euro dinette in this coach. As you can see, those are very easily accessible. You can access all of your galley. We come back here. We can get to our half bath. Very easy, no issue whatsoever. And we don't even have to squeeze through to the rear bedroom to get to our king size bed. Yes, we can lay in the bed while we're traveling, or we don't have to put our slides out in order to come back, get in the refrigerator, get into the bed, the half bath, make a sandwich, whatever it is we need to do. Full access, just about full access throughout the coach. What I was trying to show you is the slide outs. This is a 37BA. This is a full wall slide. So we'll go ahead and hit the extend button right here. We're gonna pop this slide out. This is all hydraulic slides now for 2026. I can't remember exactly what year they started putting hydraulic slides in all product lines, except for Wayfair. Wayfair still has Schwintek slide because that's the system that makes the most sense. And then we're gonna hit extend on this one. Smooth, effortless, easy. That's what you get with hydraulic slide outs. And then last but not least, we're gonna go back here to this touch panel and put the slide out on our king size bed. We're gonna go right here and then right here, extend. Look at that, quick. The drivability is what I love, the biggest change on the Tiffin Allegro Red. Again, going to that L9 engine. Again, same engine that's in the 45 OPP. I just did a video on that coach the other day. I think that's a huge thing, a thing that most people just don't understand about the Red. Although, yes, they do take away some things like integrated roof rail awnings and some other stuff that the Phaeton doesn't have, like a nice Corian line entryway. But you still get all the good stuff. Porcelain tile floors that are heated. Aqua hot system, all electric coach. Let's turn the camera around, show you the inside of this one. We'll make this video as short as possible. Again, starting up here at the cockpit, you got the Freightliner custom chassis that does not have independent front suspension, but it does have a lot of really upgraded suspension stuff, making this feel, and it's got a great turning radius too, making this feel like a really smooth riding coach. It doesn't feel like it's a straight axle front coach with the way they set it up. HWH computerized leveling, beautiful cabinetry above. If you don't know, Tiffin makes every bit of their own cabinetry in-house in Red Bay, Alabama. They order all of their wood from Oregon. This happens to be natural alder wood. A huge LG smart television. Stepping around the coach, as you can see, the floor plan in this one, the BA, you see why the BA is totally awesome. Huge opposing sofas, theater seats if you want them, very comfortable European style dinette. This has a king size bed in the back, so sleeping for two there, no sleeping in the booth, two more here and two here. So you can sleep six the way this is configured. If you wanted the theater seats, the nice comfy sofa goes away, then you're left with a jackknife style sofa. So if you want this to be more of a couple's coach with a couple of grandkids right here, this can be that as well. Obviously, we have a TV that's on a televator that pops up right there. Big giant windows, and look at the outside. We got a beautiful day here today. One of the largest kitchen windows in the industry. Beautiful solid surface Corian countertops. LG refrigerator, LG TVs, LG microwave convection oven with air fryer option. That's awesome. As I've already mentioned, this does have aqua hot, so it's going to be an all electric package, induction cooktop. And then of course we optioned in the dishwasher. Now, what we've been doing for folks, if you don't want a dishwasher, feels like people 50-50 whether they want a dishwasher or not, we can remove that for you. Use the same door front to make you a nice big storage drawer down there if you so desire. As I've already mentioned and showed you, we do have the European style dinette. This is an upgrade because this thing is absolutely comfortable, and I love the little bolsters that go around the edge, making it basically like reclining furniture. So 2 or 4 people can sit here, no problem. Very, very comfortable. Continuing the galley, we do have a residential refrigerator, and I love the little pantry space they put here. Really nice pantry space. Very well done, Tiffin. This coach is loaded with storage. Just across from the refrigerator is going to be your half bath, but down here is got a little port for your vacuum cleaner. That is the central vacuum system location. And this is the whole coach computer screen. This is the heated floor section. and we can control pretty much everything from this coach, from inverters to lighting. We can put our slides in and out, turn our aqua hot on and off there, see our battery voltages, all that kind of stuff. Step inside here is going to be your half bath with a porcelain foot pedal flush toilet that drops straight into the tank, a window, and yes, of course, a vent with a fan. Stepping into our king master suite, where yes, we have a king size bed, a window on both sides of the bed, lots of storage, drawers, and cabinetry. And then see this little touch panel right here? That is basically the same panel, controls pretty much everything that you can control in here from the comfort of your bed, in case you forget to lock the door or turn the lights off, or you want to adjust the heat and air. You can do that right there from the comfort of your bed. Across from the bed is going to be a double wardrobe in here, a big LG smart television, emergency egress window, my favorite hamper, lots of storage, drawers, and cabinetry. And don't worry if you're thinking to yourself, well, I really want a coach without carpet. Well, this isn't carpet. This is marine grade woven vinyl. So if you have pets, all their hair and wet stuff is not going to stick to this. Very easy to clean, very easy to maintain. And again, it's all vinyl, so it doesn't have carpet threads in it. Stepping back into the rear of the coach, where we have our full bathroom, huge one-piece molded fiberglass surround shower with the shower miser water-saving system. Give me a call if you want to learn more about that. And then a very nice size vanity right here with drawers, storage, and cabinetry, medicine cabinet above, and a really nice sink with Corian countertops and backsplash. Last but not least, we're going to have a Tecma power flush toilet here, and then right next to that is going to be our washer and dryer center, and of course a vent with a fan above our heads there, and a window that does open. There's the Tiffin Allegro Red 37BA. Also, folks, we have, these are 2026s. We have a 37BA and a 33AA in the 2026 model. We also have two 2027 models, 37BA that is a true couples coach, and a bunkhouse 38KA, if you should be so interested in that, along with a plethora of other Tiffin motorhomes. So if you're interested in something a little bit more affordable than this, I do have two Tiffin byways left over, the 33FL and the 38BL, actually the coach that I'm most excited about. It's a 2 full bathroom bunkhouse diesel pusher from Tiffin Motorhomes. And then naturally, you know, we have a full selection of Tiffin Phaetons, from the 35CH to the 40IH, the 44OH, and every Allegro bus that they make as of right now when this video is being filmed, every bus that they make in stock here at Sewell Motor Coach. Furthermore, do yourself a favor, jump on Facebook and ask about Sewell Motor Coach, or any other dealer for that matter. Any dealer that you're getting ready to do a multiple $100,000 transaction with, you need to check on Google and see what people are saying about them, and then jump on Facebook and ask other RV owners what they think about that dealership. And I promise you, you'll get honest responses. Finish this by saying thank you for watching. Hope you have a wonderful and blessed day, and we certainly hope to talk with you soon.